Suno AI pricing tiers explain 2026, free versus pro versus premiere. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have been using Suno AI to create music and you are trying to figure out which plan is right for you, this video is going to clear everything up. Today I am breaking down all three Suno AI pricing tiers, free, pro, and premiere, so you know exactly what you are getting with each one. Let's get into it. The free plan. Let's start with the free tier. Suno's free plan gives you a set number of credits every single day that refresh automatically. Each credit lets you generate a song, and on the free plan you get enough daily credits to create around 5 to 10 tracks per day, depending on the generation type. The free plan is great for casual users, people just exploring the platform, or anyone who wants to test Suno before committing to a subscription. The main limitations are the daily credit cap, slower generation during peak times, and the fact that songs created on the free plan are for personal non-commercial use only. The Pro plan. Next up is the Pro plan, which is Suno's mid-tier paid subscription. Pro gives you a significantly larger monthly credit allowance compared to free, enough to create hundreds of songs per month. On top of that, you get priority generation, which means your songs process faster even when the platform is busy. The big upgrade here is commercial usage rights, meaning you can use songs you create on Pro for monetized content, client work, or any commercial project. Pro also unlocks longer audio generation and access to newer experimental features as they roll out. The Premier plan. The Premier plan is Suno's top tier, and it is built for heavy users and professionals. You get the highest monthly credit allowance of all three plans, enough for serious volume production. Everything in Pro is included, plus you get even faster priority access, maximum generation quality settings, and the most flexible commercial licensing available on the platform. If you are a musician, content studio, or creator who uses Suno as a core part of your workflow every single day, Premiere is designed for you. Which plan should you choose? Here is the simple breakdown. If you are just having fun and experimenting, start with the free plan. It genuinely gives you enough to explore everything Suno can do. If you are creating content regularly and need commercial rights, upgrade to Pro because the credit volume and licensing alone make it worth it. And if Suno is a professional tool you rely on daily and you need maximum output and priority access, go Premiere. And that is Suno AI's pricing tiers explained for 2026. Free for casual use, Pro for creators, Premiere for professionals. Check Suno.com for the latest exact pricing, since numbers can change but the tier structure stays consistent. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.